How to calculate a due date in Monday.com. You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Open your Monday.com board and add a date column if it's not already there. This column will store the due dates for your tasks. 2. Click on the column header and select Column Settings, then choose Customize Date column to adjust the date format and display options. 3. Add a formula column to calculate the due date dynamically. Use a formula like workday open parenthesis, start date close parenthesis comma, open parenthesis, days close parenthesis to determine the correct due date. 4. If your project has task dependencies, enable the dependency column to link tasks together, ensuring due dates adjust based on prior tasks. 5. Use automations to set automatic due dates. For example, you can create an automation that sets the due date when a task status changes. 6. Set up notifications so your team is alerted when due dates approach. This helps everyone stay on track without manually checking deadlines. 7. Test your setup by adding tasks with start dates and expected durations. Verify that the system calculates and updates due dates accurately.